Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch, or you could call it a custom watch face. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the OHealth application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, and here scroll through the menu, find the option called Watch Faces and select it. And in this menu you will see this photos category. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on allow, and here we can customize our watch face. First we need to add the photo, so tap on the plus button. I'm gonna open the download folder, and here you can select one or multiple pictures by tapping on the boxes on them. And then you can tap on preview, and here you have a preview of the picture. Basically, whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so you need to select like a part of it to be on the watch face, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. And once you're done cropping the images, tap on the check mark, and here we have a preview of our watch face. We don't have any more customizations, unfortunately, so we can tap on set as watch face, and the watch face will be applied. And if you have one or rather more than one picture added, you can tap on the current watch face to cycle between them. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.